So today I'm going to be doing a eye makeup tutorial using the Morphe palette. Looks like this. Ooh, pretty. I'm also going to be doing eyeliner using face paint just to give it a cool vibe. I'm so quirky. I'm going to start by using a concealer. Any will do. The first colour I'm going to go in with is this one right here. I'm going to start in the crease of your eye. Okay, so as you can see, pretty nice. I'm going to go in with a warm colour. So how's everyone doing? How's life? Well, life's pretty shit at the moment, isn't it? Let's be real. Yeah, there's a lot going on in the world. I'm just gonna go in with
this block here.
Get a bit of that. And we're just gonna put it where the red is, but not in the crease. See that? What are your guys' thoughts on the whole anonymous account coming back to Twitter? Hey guys, just saying that this video was filmed last month, so this is kind of old news. I think that's crazy. He's really, you know, mid-2020, the year of just pure savageness and like, what's the word? I can't think of the word. Oh my god. I'm having a brain fart mid-video, that's great.
Exposed.
That's it. Basically, he's just exposed Donald Trump and some messed up stuff he's done in the past. Once you've got this, go with a really fine brow brush. Go in with your face paint. See, there's always a point where I do one eye and then when I do the next eye, it looks terrible. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. Because it's gonna move. I need like a little mini fan, don't I? Mini fan. Let me know if any of you guys try this look. I guess I tried. And I think I'm just gonna go in with a bit of sparkle. I think we need it. And I'm just gonna put that right in the corner. I'm gonna put fake eyelashes on. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is thick. Look at that. It looks blue. What's all that? Beautiful. They're not our best lashes in the world, I'm not gonna lie. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!